Morning, guys. This is part 2 of the boat. Got the boat on the trailer the other day. Today I'm gonna try to get the frame built, get all the framing done. That way all I got to do is paint it and camo it. So hopefully I get all the framing done today. Let's see what we can get on film. All right. So far, I stripped the floor underneath this plywood with this cypress. It's like 1 inch thick. So I stripped the boards this way, all the way across, like a joist in a house or something. But I put the OSB down. And the only reason I'm using OSB is what I had. This is about a $500 project, so I'm not going too far out with it. We take the risk of kids coming out there and sinking them when we leave them out on the lake. But anyhow, I'm gonna seal up all these joints tonight with some silicone, and then I got some waterproof paint. I'm gonna paint it real good. But right here on the side, I put some fillers in that's screwed into that rail and screwed into that bottom. And I'm gonna flip this board up. Kind of like that side, but I ripped it down where it fits this rail. And I screw it in them joints. Then what I do is cap this, and that'll be watertight. Because the whole point is when I'm out there and it's raining, I want water to flow all through here, and then when it gets back in the back, it can be pumped out in this big compartment there. So, all right, now I'm putting a base cap all the way around the edge to screw my sides to. Oh, what we got here? Holy cow. What are you, a ninja? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! All right, I got some sides up. Just sticking them up there to see how it goes. What's up, boys? Y'all working? Driving me crazy. Huh?
Can I get up there?
Yeah, wait a minute.
Okay.
This part here is gonna have a roof on it.
Okay.
But it's coming together. What? It's your muscles. Let me see them smile. Yeah. He wants for Christmas is 2 front teeth. What's up, cat boy?
No, I do not. I'm getting money.
Huh?
I'm getting money.
Money? Oh, for
Me
your
too.
teeth? All right, guys. This is what we got so far. I got to put a roof on here. That's what I'm gonna be sitting under. Got my rail here. Come up. I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna put a knee wall with a little opening right there to go in there and put decoys in there. If I want to spend the night, I can sleeping bag, little Mr. Heater. I'm gonna sit in a chair, see the view we got. I have a little flat deck here, because that'll be the roof for that little compartment there. I'm gonna leave that boxed out where I can put a bilge pump in there if I need to, pump out. Going down through the back, add a motor. I have a light there. Plenty of room in here for sure. This square part here is 12 by 8, no, 12 by 7, I think it is. Put them sides there. Got to seal it up. I'm gonna put 2 more boards here, seal that up. But that's what I got so far. I'll go outside and get some footage too. I'm gonna put a flat board right there and nail it from the outside. All right. That's gonna be the stools out the rain or out the weather in the shade. Got to finish this back. But I'll put fence wire on this tomorrow after I paint it. If I spray the whole thing green, I'll put the fence wire on that and brush it out. But I got a foam gun that I'll fill in all my little cracks before I paint. Fill in all my little crevices and all that mess. But once you paint this thing green and brush it out, that's what you call a $500 duck blind. Boy, you hear them whistling? About to whisper to them.